Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics. Hope that you are all fine. Our today's topic is concept check, that is the review of chapter 11, page number 884. Question number 6, we have to complete some unknown values. 84 inches, IN stand for inches, it is a short form, and FT for feet. 84 inches is equal to how many feet? We will divide 84 by 12. 12 sevens are 84. 84 divided by 12 is 7. We can say that 84 inches is equal to 7 feet. Next, 7. 9 yards, YD stand for yards, is equal to dash inches. We have to convert yards into inches. You can see the working in the second line. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. We will multiply 9 by 36 is equals to 324 inches. In the given place, we will write 324 inches. Next number is 8. 7,920 yards. We will have to convert it into miles. MI for miles. It's a short form for miles. 7,920 divided by 1,760. If you want to convert yard into miles, we have to divide by 1,760. We will get 4.5 miles. Number 9, 64,000 pounds is equals to 32 tons. LB for pounds and capital T for tons. See the calculation in the second line. 64,000 divided by 2,000. Why? Because 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. If we want to convert pounds into tons, we have to divide by 2,000. 64 divided by 2000 equals to 32 tons is the answer for number 9. Next question is 10. 7.5 pounds is equal to how much ounces? OZ is the short form of ounces. You know that before we have solved the questions regarding ounces. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. We are going to multiply 7.5 by 16 is equals to 120 ounces. In the given place, we will write 120. Now number 11, 62 OZ, it means 62 ounces. We have to convert pounds and ounces. 62 divided by 16. If we read the table of 16, 16 times 3 is 16 3 is 48. 62 minus 48, remainder is 14. So in the given place, we will write 3 pounds and 14 ounces. That is our remainder. Number 12, 7 PT. PT means pints. We have to convert it into cups. We know that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. 7 multiplied by 2, 7 pint is equal to 7 pint multiplied by 2 is equal to 14 cups. Next 13, 12 cups. We have to change it into pints. 12 multiplied by 1 upon 4 is equals to 3 pints. 14 is 72 pints. we have to convert it into gallons. GAL is the short form for gallons. So see the working in the second line. 72 divided by 8. Read the table of 8. 8 9 is 72. If we divide 72 by 8, we will get it 9. That is the 9 gallon. We can say that 72 pints is equal to 9 gallons. The last number is number 15. 120 mm. Mm for millimeter. We have to convert it into centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. If we want to convert millimeter into centimeter, we have to divide by 10. 120 divided by 10 is equals to 20 centimeter. I hope, my dear students, you understood the lesson. Now some homework for you. Revise the work of the last week, that what we have done in the last week. Take a copybook and revise all the questions in your copybook so that you cannot forget it. Also, there is another homework, my dear students. You have to revise the tables from 2 to 10. Most of you know the table well, but someone forget. So revise it, because table is very necessary. If you are good in table, you will find no difficulties to do multiplication, division and other sums like this. Thank you very much. Take care and have a nice